Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Math Club. Today we have an Olympiad problem, that is Olympiad mathematics problem, which is x cubed minus y cubed is equal to 112 and x minus y is equal to 4. So we have to find the value of x plus y. So first of all, let us consider it is our equation number 1 and it is equation number 2. Now here our equation 1 is that equation 1 is implies that x cubed minus y cubed is equal to 112. Now here, according to algebraic identity, we know that if we have that a cubed minus b cubed, then it is equal to a minus b times a squared plus a times b plus b squared. So applying this identity here, then our problem will be, here it is x cubed minus y cubed, so it will be x minus y times x squared plus x times y plus y squared, that is equal to 112. Now here x minus y, here x squared, and if we just rearrange this one, that plus y squared writing here, then if we want to make a perfect square, so we have to just add and subtract 2xy here. So subtracting 2xy and also adding 2xy, and here it is plus xy, so it is equal to 112. Now x minus y times here x squared plus y squared, and it is minus 2xy, so we are going to make it is our first group here. So here this plus 2xy plus xy will be plus 3xy, so it is equal to 112. Now x minus y times, here we have x squared plus y squared minus 2xy, and we know that by algebraic identity, if we have a squared plus b squared minus 2ab, then it is equal to a minus b whole squared. So applying this one here, then it will be x minus y whole squared and plus 3xy is equal to 112. Now our next step will be, here according to equation number 2, if we just see this equation number 2, here we have x minus y is equal to 4. So applying this value of x minus y here, so here we have x minus y, then according to equation number 2, that is x minus y is equal to 4. Putting this value of x minus y here, then we get 4 times, here it is 4 squared plus 3xy, that is equal to 112. Now multiplying this 4 into on these braces, so we get 4 times this 4 squared is 16 plus 4 times 3xy is equal to 112. Our next step will be 4 times 16 is equal to 64, and here we have 4 times 3 is 12 xy, which is equal to 112. Now shifting this 64 to our right hand side, so we get plus 12xy is equal to 112 minus 64. Now we have 12xy is equal to 112 minus 64, we get 48. Here if we just divide left hand side by 12 and similarly our right hand side by 12, so this 12 can be cancelled out, we get x times y is equal to, here we have 4 12 times 4 is 48. So we get 4. X times y is equal to 4. Let's say it is our equation number 3. Now, using equation number 2, recall equation 2. Equation 2 is x minus y is equal to 4. So here, if we take squared on both hand side, then we have x minus y whole squared is equal to 4 squared. Now, x minus y whole squared, according to algebraic identity, if we have a minus b whole squared, then it is equal to a squared plus b squared and minus 2 times a times b. So it will be x minus y whole squared will be x squared plus y squared minus 2 times a x times y is equal to 4 squared is 16. Now, as we know that this x times y, according to equation number 3, it is equal to 4. X times y is equal to 4. So here, x times y is equal to 4. Then substituting this value here, so we get x squared plus y squared minus 2 times xy is 4. That is equal to 16. Here we have x squared plus y squared minus 2 times 4 is 8 is equal to 16. Now shifting minus 2 to our right hand side, so we get x squared plus y squared is equal to 16 plus 8. Here we have x squared plus y squared is equal to 24. Let's say it is our equation number 4. Now we have from equation number 3 that value of xy is 4 and x square plus y square is 24. Now as we have to find the value of x plus y, so using this algebraic identity here, that according to algebraic identity, as we know that x plus y whole squared is equal to x squared plus y squared plus 2 times xy. Now here we have x squared plus y squared, which is equal to 24, and xy according to equation 3 it is equal to 4. So here we are going to just write x squared plus y squared is equal to 24 and x times y is equal to 4. But these are two values we have, so putting here then we get x plus y whole squared is equal to x squared plus y squared is equal to 24 plus 2 times here x times y is 4. Now x plus y whole squared is equal to 24 plus 2 times 4 is 8. So we have x plus y whole squared is equal to 32. Now we have to find x plus y, so this squared can be moved. Now taking square root on both hand side, so we get x plus y whole squared and whole square root, that is equal to square root of 32. Now this square is cancelled out with square root, we get x plus y is equal to plus minus this 32 can also be written as 16 times square root of 2. We can write separately, so there is no difference, as we know that if we have square root of 32 then it is equal to 16 times 2 square root and again 16 square root times 2 square root. So 16 square root is equal to 4 times square root of 2. Here we have x plus y is equal to plus minus 4 square root of 16 and times square root of 2. So we get two values of x plus y. Here we have our final answer is that we have two values of x plus y. First one is x plus y is that is positive 4 times square root of 2 and negative 4 times square root of 2. So it is our final answer. I hope you have understand all these steps. Now we are going to check our entire solution here step by step. Here we got two solutions for x plus y. So first one is positive 4 times square root of 2 and second one is negative 4 times square root of 2. So it is our final result. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting contents. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. Have a nice day. Goodbye.